Hello, my name is Midshipman Caleb Scheaffer, second class. In this presentation, I will demonstrate the steering gear test performed aboard the Ocean Glory prior to departure. This test is conducted prior to every sailing to verify that the steering gear is operating properly and that the vessel can be maneuvered safely once it is underway. Before any testing begins, the engineering department establishes positive communication with the bridge to coordinate the procedure. Maintaining this reliable communication between the bridge and the steering gear room is an important part of the test since both departments work together throughout the process. The first step is to inspect the hydraulic oil levels in each steering gear reservoir. While checking the oil levels, the surrounding equipment is also looked and inspected for hydraulic leaks, loose fittings, damaged piping, or any signs of abnormal wear. Catching these issues prior to departure helps prevent steering problems while the vessel is underway. After the inspection is complete, the designated steering gear is started by its designated pump, according with the procedures on the Ocean Glory. Once the pump is running, the local steering controls are tested by moving the rudder to both port and starboard. This confirms that the hydraulic system responds properly and that the steering gear operates smoothly throughout its full range of motion. Next, the automatic pump changeover is tested by simulating a failure of the operating pump. The standby pump should automatically start, ensuring that the hydraulic pressure is maintained without interrupting steering capability. This redundancy is one of the steering system's most important safety features. The low oil level alarm is then tested to verify that the alarm system functions correctly and that the standby pump automatically starts during a simulated low oil condition. After each test, the alarms are acknowledged, reset, and the steering system is returned to its normal operating configuration. Once the engineering department has completed its portion of the test, the bridge is notified that they may begin their steering checks. While the bridge cycles the rudder from hard port to hard starboard, engineering personnel remain in the steering gear room aboard the Ocean Glory to observe the hydraulic pumps, rams, piping, and mechanical linkages. During this time, the system is monitored for hydraulic leaks, unusual noises, excessive vibration, or any indication of abnormal operation. After the bridge confirms that all steering tests have been complete, the engineering department performs one final inspection to ensure safety and steering gear remains in proper operating conditions and is ready for departure. Conducting this steering gear test prior to every departure is critical as a safety requirement. It verifies that the hydraulic system, alarms, backup equipment, and steering controls are all functioning properly, providing the bridge team with confidence that the vessel can safely be maneuvered throughout the voyage. Thank you, as this concludes my presentation on the steering gear test performed aboard the Ocean Glory.